Hi guys! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I made this fall centerpiece. It is pretty on all sides, so it would be perfect for your Thanksgiving table or on your entry table, coffee table, just anywhere that you would like. And I made these with very inexpensive flowers from dollar stores. This arrangement is made just a little bit different. It is actually sitting on a Dollar Tree splatter screen. So you're going to need a Dollar Tree splatter screen, some foam from Dollar Tree, and I just left it packaged just like that. And you're also going to need a placemat, and you're going to need lots of pretty fall florals. Now you can make this for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for fall. You could spray paint the splatter screen if you would like. First we remove the knob, then I put a hole in the foam, and I am just going to zip tie the foam to the splatter screen. Next I took some floral wire and I just took my splatter screen and I just wired it to the center of the placemat. I am using 20 gauge floral wire, and you can pick up floral wire at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, places like that. It's very inexpensive, and I am just taking my piece of wire, cutting it into shorter strips, and I am going to center the splatter screen on the placemat, thread the wire through the splatter screen, through the placemat, then go the back and give the wire a few twists. Now after you get your splatter screen wired on your placemat, you might want to put some of those little felt pads over the wires. I used a total of 4 wires to secure the splatter screen to the placemat. Now you could cover the foam with some moss if you would like first. Now I am just taking some picks that I picked up at Walmart, their Mainstays brand, and usually what I do on the left, I do on the right. What I put on the front, I do on the back. I try to make everything match. It does not have to be perfect, but that's kind of like what I like to do. So I'm just giving you some ideas here. For these picks, I did not cut them shorter. For most of the others, I did cut them into shorter pieces, and you can take a little hot glue, add to the end of your pick before you push it into the foam if you would like. the bottom, I like to fill in the bottom of the foam with some leaves or something that's not too big. I like to save the bigger things for the center and the top. So something a little more dainty around the edge to kind of cover up the foam. When you're making this arrangement and you cut off your flowers, save the leaves and the rest of the picks. Don't throw them away, because you can always go back in the end, and with the leaves and extra pieces that you have, you can fill in any spots where you can see the foam. There are lots of different ways to make flower arrangements. There's not a right way or a wrong way. Just do what makes you happy. And I know I could have put this in some kind of basket or, container or vase, but I like to try things and do things a little different. So don't be afraid to try something new. When you're making your flower arrangement, if you don't like the way it looks, then pull it out, try something new. And also, when you're picking out your flowers at the store, try to choose a variety of shapes and textures and colors that work well together. And so here I'm putting a pick that I didn't cut any off of, I just left it whole, putting it in the center for height and some fullness. And these picks also came from Walmart, and some of them came from Dollar Tree. These beautiful flowers came from Dollar General, and what I put on one side, I try to put on the other side. Same way with the front and the back. I just try to make them match. It doesn't have to be perfect, but close. I like to put some taller flowers, some fuller flowers in the center, so I left them a little bit longer than the flowers that I'm putting on the sides. The fountain grass picks came from Walmart, their Mainstays brand, and I think they were around $1. And so I'm just going to put a couple of them in the center for height, and you'll want something that's kind of wispy and has some movement in it. After you have added all of your flowers, then go back where you can see the foam and fill in with some of the leaves that you had left over from when you just cut the flowers off and used in your arrangement. I almost forgot about these picks. My husband ordered them from Amazon for me, and I thought they were so cute with the little stars on top. I went back in the end and filled in with some leaves, and then just kind of made sure I had it shaped like I wanted, made sure the top had some movement in it, and that's it, guys. So this was very easy and inexpensive to make. I think this is the last fall DIY for 2022 that I'm going to do. I think I am ready to start doing Christmas DIYs. So you'll have to let me know in the comments section, are you ready to see some Christmas crafts? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And thank you guys that have subscribed and leave the sweetest and most positive comments on my videos. I appreciate y'all so much.